Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach soufflé. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, butter ramekins, and sauté spinach until wilted, then puree until smooth. We'll build a light bechamel, fold in yolks and spinach, then whip whites to soft peaks. I'll walk you through folding technique, timing, and temperature tips to ensure a tall, airy soufflé. Stay relaxed, take it step by step, and enjoy the process with playful confidence. Gather spinach, eggs, butter, flour, milk, cheese, salt, and pepper. Trim and wash 10 ounces of spinach and squeeze out excess moisture thoroughly. Separate 4 eggs, keep yolks and whites apart, and bring ingredients to room temperature. Make a roux with 2 tablespoons butter and 2 tablespoons flour. Whisk in 1 cup milk until thickened. This ingredient prep will keep your soufflé airy and flavorful from start to finish today. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to help support the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride fresh while you bake or commute. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting small creators who make cooking guides. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Incorporate spinach into a smooth bechamel before adding egg yolks. Whip 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt to soft to medium peaks, then gently fold 1/4 at a time. Use a figure-8 folding motion to preserve air and avoid deflating the whites. Fill ramekins nearly to the top, smooth surfaces, and run a thumb around the edge to help rise evenly. Bake at 375 degrees F until deeply puffed and lightly browned, then serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.